Okay, this is ERA GP2 Restoration 10. It's another short update. Basically, I had a question about a 3D printed part which James's son Harry has made. I'll let James explain that a little bit.
Yep.
But
so
it's really good.
This is the two-part gear housing which houses the drop-down gears coming out of the bell housing. So the drive shaft comes out of here into one gear, down to the other gear, and then back out rearwards through the prop shaft through here. So yeah, Harry printed it on his
3D printer.
On his Prusa printer, that's right. And the volume print area wasn't big enough, and so you can see there's a split line down here, and we simply super glued it together. The software Harry uses for most of his stuff that he makes is Fusion 360, and his main business, if you like, age 15, is making wheel chocks at the minute, which is a nice little business for him. So this is designed on Fusion 360, and then he puts it into a software program called Slicer, and that makes it able to be printed. Because inside here, besides the holes that you see, it still isn't solid in between. It's got a hollow honeycomb type structure. So Harry sells these wheel chocks for everybody, MG owners. We've even done some with ERA badges on, but any make of car that you like. So it's £15 for the wheel chock, and then we throw in a free badge of whatever car make you fancy. So we're not selling these, I importantly add. But that's a little plug for Harry, and these are the different colours that he does. He's also printing rockets, which have a little engine firework type charger that fit in this little console here, and it shoots it up into the sky, I don't know, 300 feet in the air. And then it's got another little parachute. It blows itself apart, the parachute deploys, and it comes back down, and you find it or you don't. And it's blown apart or it isn't, but it's great fun. Keeps the lad amused.
Just really some really good things that you can make.
Quite so.
It's unbelievable.
So having got the 3D printed version in plastic, we made sure that the basic layout was there, the fillets, the corner rads, make sure it was going to fit on there. We then sent that CAD model to the machine shop, and it came back as blocks of aluminium machined into this shape, which is obviously identical. So this is ready to be spigoted onto the bell housing here. There's a bearing goes in here, the gears sit inside, this dangles down the back of the bell housing, and the idea now is to not make it look so brand new with all the machine tool paths in it, as you see on this side. So we're just trying to give it a bit of taste and rub the corners off it a bit and mingle it in a bit to try and make it look more...
A bit of patina.
Yeah. It's not sort of pretty seeing the CNC tool lines on a pre-war car, so we're giving it a bit of taste.
It's just a needs must job.
Yeah, so it's a one-off. It seemed the best method to do a one-off. We thought about doing a casting for it, but we'd still have to machine it, not quite all over, but in so many regards that it was just easier to start off with a billet than a casting. And of course we've saved the pattern equipment and casting problem and expense. So that cost about £2,000 for the pair of housings, plus the development and design time by Will Barraclough, who's our gear consultant and CAD modeller. There we have it.
Right, very good.
Sorry, it's a quick update, but just something to keep you interested in the winter time.
Right, speak to you later.